So, hello, we're on day one of our dog walk for Cancer Research UK. Currently, well, I checked a little while ago, currently we've got £140 that's been donated so far, and it's only our first day. Me and Daisy here, are so grateful, ain't you, Daisy? So grateful. But we're going to film a little bit of walk as we go round. I'm trying to use this new Insta 361 RS, see how that works. I'm not even sure if the battery's working, to be honest, so we might come back and there will be no footage whatsoever, but we'll give it a go. But yeah, so there she is, the true leader of this. Everyone has just sponsored her more than they've sponsored me, but I'll take that all day long. As long as you can kindly sponsor, that would be great. My target at start was to reach £100. Like I said, we've already got to 140, so if we can get to 200, then that would be outstanding. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. This is where we're walking over here, as you can see, the countryside, a bit of new build. We're going to try and go over the back into one of the farmers' fields. Anyway, we'll be back soon. See you in a minute.